Today I am doing an unboxing of our newest machine, LÄVO Lux. LÄVO Lux comes in 4 metallic finishes. This is the metallic gold, there's also silver, French copper, and a metallic black. You can see it is like a mirrored, cool to the touch machine, and we are going to be going over all of the new features. When you take your LÄVO Lux out of the box, you are going to get a packet with warranty information, the user manual, and a quick start guide. You will get this in all of our machines, LÄVO 2 and LÄVO C as well, and they are specific to the machine that you get. And this will go over what's included in your box and basics on the dry, activate, and infuse settings, and just some more info on how to get started there. You will also get the power cord. Now this is different from LÄVO 2. LÄVO 2's power cord is always attached to the machine, whereas with LÄVO Lux we have it separated. This makes for some easier storing. You can lay it flat in a cabinet. So you're going to get the power cord, and then you'll see in the back there is a spot for you to plug in this cord. And then something else that is different between Lux and C is that you'll see this little power switch. So there is a power switch back here that you need to turn on once this is plugged in to the back there, and plugged into the wall. Now I am going to flip this switch on. There we go. I can hear that it turned on. Now obviously your machine comes with all these stickers. They have warnings and just, information. So I'm going to take these vinyl clings off, and I'm going to take, there is an air vent on the top. This is also different than LÄVO 2. This little vent has a sticker to remove, a little vinyl cling, and you'll see there is a vent here. Now this is because LÄVO Lux has an improved dry cycle. It dries 3 to 4 times faster than LÄVO 2. And then we also do have our little caution reservoir gets hot sticker in here, just to let you know that after you are infusing, your reservoir will get hot. Now in LÄVO 2, you would press down with a lid latch to open your unit. With LÄVO Lux, there is a button. So you can see I pushed that, it lifted, and now I can open up my reservoir. We have the little sticker that lets you know that this is the button you press. When your unit is on, you press this to release the reservoir. It comes with a 1 power pod, which is different than the LÄVO 2 power pod. However, the LÄVO 2 pod will also fit in here. You'll see this has a totally different cap than LÄVO 2, and the reason that we redesigned this cap is because it causes the air during the dry cycle to run from the bottom of the pod all the way through, really circulate the air, the warm air, through your herbs, and that's what helps them dry faster. So we call that a dry plus cycle. So it comes with your silicone pad at the bottom to protect your flower when you are activating or decarboxylating. And we have our magnetic spinner, exactly the same for LÄVO 2, exactly the same for LÄVO C. Before you decarb any herbs, you just want to put that pod protector at the bottom of your pod. This is a magnetic pod. So we have a place pod here. I don't know if you can see it. Words right there. So you just literally line up the magnet there and place the pod there, and it magnetically stays there. Now to take out your basin, you press that, you can hear the valve at the bottom opening, and that's how you take out the reservoir when you are ready to clean it, when you're done infusing. This little drain tube comes off, and it is bigger than the LÄVO 2 drain tube, and that is because with LÄVO Lux, so you have that improved dry cycle, you also have a brand new dispense mode. It's a whole brand new interface as well. There's no buttons, it's touchscreen. You can choose, see, dispense mode 2, dispense mode 1. You can now choose the size, the opening of your dispense here. When you press that, that will control how quickly the liquid comes out. You can use the larger size 3 for honey, shea butter, cocoa butter. The second setting is for your oils, oil and glycerin. And the first setting is for water-based infusions like milk. Or if you're doing like a rose water or lavender water, that will make the opening smaller. When your infusion is complete, let's say it's all done and it'll say that it's finished, you will put a jar that fits under here, glass is great, under the dispense nozzle down here. And then you will choose, you can see vinegar, milk, tea, types of water-based liquids there. Number 2 for butter, oil, or glycerin, or 3, it says honey, syrup, or wax. And then you will just press and hold this dispense mode, and that will take your infusion that was up here. Your herb will be safely inside of the herb pod. So it will come out pre-strained with LÄVO. There is no need to strain or use cheesecloth or any additional steps. Your infusion will be all ready to use and taste great. All right, what I have here are 2 of our most popular bundles that come with LÄVO Lux. We have the Gummy Edibles Making Kit with LÄVO Lux and the Essentials Kit with LÄVO Lux. So the Gummy Edibles Making Kit, you can also get this, any of them in LÄVO C or LÄVO 2, is all 4 of our gummy mix flavors, all natural, no artificial color or flavor. You get our 2 gummy molds, they're spherical molds, make 64 gummies each, and then 1 giant bottle of MCT oil. This bottle will make 2 full reservoir fulls of your Lux. So the LÄVO Lux reservoir holds 2 cups at a time. Could be as little as 1 cup if you just want a small infusion. This is 4 cups of oil. You can make hundreds of gummies with this much infused MCT oil. And then we have the Essentials Kit, which comes with a second Lux Power Pod, second Lux Herb Pod to double the potency of your infusions. This comes with our herb press, the Essentials Kit, and so what this does is it lets you squeeze every last drop of infused oil from your pods into the reservoir. It comes with an infusion sprayer, so this is a reusable sprayer so that you're not buying like spray cans of oil. You can use it your own. You pump the cap to increase the pressure, and then you just spray your oil. This is also a great way to microdose. It comes with a printed version of our cookbook. As you can see here, it is absolutely beautiful and has dozens and dozens of recipes. You also get this cookbook and our keto cookbook in PDF form. Those will be emailed to you. And then you also get our cleaning kit, which comes with the microfiber cloth, these adorable scrubby sponges, and these 2 scrubby brushes in case you want to clean your reservoir or get into your power pod like this. And this is great if you need to hand wash. The microfiber cloth is always fantastic. If you're a hand washer, you can use these tools or use them for anything. But as a reminder, all LÄVO parts from the reservoir, spinner, pod, everything is dishwasher safe that you use to infuse with. And those are our 2 most popular kits. You can also get the Lux Baking Kit, which comes with all 3 of our baking mixes, granola mix, and our porcelain tray. The Kitchen Sink Kit, which comes with everything we sell, or the T-Check Kit. T-Check is a potency tester. So all 5 of these bundles are on our website. You can earn loyalty points when you buy them using a free loyalty account. And you can get so many ideas with recipes at LÄVOoil.com.